This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the AirTag. Press and twist to remove the stainless cover, then take out the CR2032 battery so there's no power. Once done, lay the shell on a soft cloth to avoid scratches and position parts where you can track them. Use a thin pry tool at the seam to separate the plastic speaker grill area. Do this gently because plastic tabs break easily. Make sure to observe how the metal cover engages the housing, so reassembly will align correctly. Next, expose the speaker by carefully lifting the grill and identifying the module clipped to the PCB. You can either desolder the two tiny contacts or trim the wires close to the speaker. Desoldering preserves the board for future repair, while cutting is quicker. Use a low-heat soldering iron and wick away excess solder to protect nearby components. Once the contacts are free, lift the speaker straight out. Set aside foam pads and screws in a labeled container to maintain orientation for reassembly. To finish, reinstall the CR2032 battery and test the AirTag from the Find My app. It should still report location but won't play sounds. Once verified, realign the stainless cover and twist to lock. Make sure the cover seats flush and the internal tabs engage. If the device doesn't power or register, double-check your solder joints and battery orientation and ensure no flex cables were nicked. If you see no continuity where the speaker was, verify you didn't short adjacent pads during removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.